Homeowners in Vancouver, have you recently changed out your furnace filter? Or perhaps you've forgotten, like most people. Really though, these furnace filters should be changed out every 3 months or so. And I'll give you an example why. The furnace filter that I've just pulled out of here is filthy. It even has some cobwebs on it, believe it or not. So I'm going to take that out, throw it away, and what I've got is a clean furnace filter, which I picked up from Rona or Home Depot, and I'm going to easily slide that into the side of my furnace here, and I'll be good to go for another 3 months. If you haven't already done so this season, with our furnaces working overtime in these frigid temperatures, by all means, get down to your crawl space of your basement, change out your filter. Your furnace will love you for it.